comply within his rights. I do not wish to take unfair advantage of the defendant. Go and wash your face, Fabianski. You have no law as a president, sir.
Common decency is a precedent, sir.
Are you insinuating that because of your face is black, it's decent? This trial won't go on until your face is washed, sir. Very well, sir. Then it won't go on. The attorney for the Commonwealth is fined $50 for contempt of court. Your Honor, I have been fined for contempt of court before, and I have paid that fine. But this is an injustice. I stand on my constitutional rights. I will not pay this fine. You'll pay it or go to jail. Very well, sir. I'll go to jail. You're under arrest, sir.
I didn't mean to cause all this. I withdraw my request.
Your request has nothing to do with this, counsel.
Perhaps if Captain Yancey would apologize to court.
If you hold your breath and I apologize, sir, you'll explode. Take him to jail.
You can't put Captain Yancey in jail.
I can't, eh? Take him away. If the jury will stand for the Commonwealth.